Almost as much as I love Julian Smith, but not as much. Do you want to open it?
Oh yeah. Hold on, hold on.
Okay. Come on!
Smells good. What, green apple?
Chug, chug, chug. Our bodies here in a minute. That's what Munster makes me want to do. Makes me want to shake my body. We'll trade. Pony for Munster. Isn't it great?
It's like green apple.
Give it back. We just kissed her pony. We're stupid. Beaver!
Does he make noise?
What?
Does he make noise? Like, nay!
My favorite part about Munster is the tab.
Hey, I'm gonna be a doctor. I gotta learn how to do this.
It's like open heart surgery. Whack, whack, whack. This is my commercial. Munster. It's like crack in a can, but better.
I don't know what crack does to you.
That's what it does to you.
And then
I think we should shake our... I'm about dying. I already choked on a drink.
yeah, it came through my nose. What's a black market?
You don't know what the black market
Like a Mexican market?
What do they sell at the Mexican market? I've never been to one.
Tacos.
Illegal tacos. They're so good that they can't be sold on the white market. Except for it's not called the white market.
Yeah,
It's just called
sombreros with like stolen gold.
to make you want to go shake your body. Makes Tony want to shake his body. Is it what you're Is it? I don't know what 27 times 2 is. It's like 64?
74.
No. Because 30 and 30 is only 60. No, it's not like 60. It's like 54. Alright. You want some more? I'm not drinking at all. I love it. The Hulk is coming out of me. Oh. Wait. Crack it again. So we are going to sneeze for you in different dialects and different ethnicity languages. Redneck. Archoo! That is the redneck sneeze. I'm gonna make love to a unicorn. I'm on a boat and it's going fast and
There's a unicorn and
there's not
freaking
even a
monster
star
and we're sneezing and
we're black and
that's it.
now I will do a mime sneeze. Yeah, that's the mime sneeze. Pretty nice.
Okay.
Australian.
Achoo, mate.
That is the Australian sneeze. I'm gonna do German. Archoo! Archoo! That wasn't German. You're harsh with it. That was a German sneeze.
I'm a harsh girl.
My mating call.
Oh.
Now the Chinese.
Meow.
I mean, like, yeah, that's right. I mean, meow. Japanese sneeze.
Achoo.
That's the Japanese sneeze. Whale sneeze. Black. Or, I'm sorry, African American sneeze. Hey, let's do our Taylor Swift dancing. That was a good movie. Now, do I get to be Taylor Lautner or Taylor Swift in this scene?
Since you got your hair done, you can be Taylor Swift.
Oh, Taylor.
Oh, Taylor.
It's confusing. We know.
What's confusing? What's confusing?
Stutter sneeze. Stutter sneeze. You and the gay sneeze. That is the gay sneeze. Wada, wada, wada. That's the noise they make. Wada, 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 wada.
Bieber? Who stole your heart?
And now that you have learned the different ways that the world sneezes, I think you'll
We hope you learned something. We hope you can communicate with people better.
We hope you are more culturized. In other words. And
It's a good lesson.
and
We should do this lesson.
we like monsters.
Woo!
This is an energy supplement. I don't feel any energy. I
I do.
unleash the beast.